സർവീസ് കമ്മീഷൻ നടത്തുന്ന ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ടു ഇന്ത്യൻ ഗവൺമെന്റ് അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് ഓഡിറ്റ്, കേരള അക്കൗണ്ട് കോഡ്, ഇന്ത്യൻ ഭരണഘടന എന്നിവയുടെ മുൻകാല ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അവയുടെ ഉത്തരങ്ങളും വളരെ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ മനസ്സിലാകുന്ന വിധത്തിലാണ് പ്രസ്തുത പരീക്ഷയുടെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അവയ്ക്കുള്ള ഉത്തരങ്ങളും ക്രമീകരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതുവഴി ആദ്യ ശ്രമത്തിൽ തന്നെ പരീക്ഷ വിജയിക്കാൻ കഴിയട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. കൂടാതെ ഞങ്ങളെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിന് ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിന് ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക.
Powers to enact law in any other matter which is not enumerated state list and concurrent list vest with the which among the following departments settle the claims against it through checks? The main unit of classification in account is the expenditure incurred with the object of either increasing concrete asset of a material and permanent character or of extinguishing or reducing recurring liabilities is classified as the annual accounts of the central or state government are prepared for the financial year running from the fifth and the last year of classification in the accounts is the travelling allowance of an officer paid from general revenues when travelling on duty connected with a local fund is charged to the transaction relating to the contingency fund of a state are recorded under which part of the government accounts? Items of receipt or payment which cannot at once be taken to a final head of receipt or change may be temporarily held under which head? Tax collected by government are classified under who is responsible for keeping the expenditure within the grant or appropriation? Departmentalization of accounts of all the ministers and departments of union government came into force from Any allotment or reappropriation within a grant or appropriation may be authorized by the competent authority. The estimate of expenditure not charged on the consolidated fund have to be submitted to the vote of the legislature. The estimate is made in the form of which among the following is a commercial departments? Methods of maintaining government's daily cash balance at a level sufficient to meet its day-to-day requirements is termed as reappropriation from one grant or appropriation to another grant or appropriation are the budget shows receipts and payments of government under beads. Which is known as budget. Which of the following is true regarding Finance Act? Revenue received by government are credited under who is a friend, philosopher and guide of the Public Accounts Committee and Committee on Public Undertaking. The executive power of a state vests with the chairman and members of the state public service commissions are appointed by the authority for formation of a new state or alteration of areas or boundaries or names of an existing state is vested with